to my YouTube channel. So this is 6 aerobic step workouts, part 6, the last but not the least. If you haven't seen parts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you can check it out on the playlist 6 aerobic step workouts. I'll be including the link on the description box below. So I'll be using one of my favorite fitness equipments, the aerobic step, the stepper, the fitness step. I've been using this since 2018, since I started my weight loss journey. And you can buy this from any of your local sports store or online. I bought this from Shopee for 1,500 pesos, including the shipping. If you don't have this, you can use the bottom part of your stairs or a bench. Just make sure it is stable enough and durable enough to carry your weight. We'll be doing a lot of on and off the stepper. No jumping, no rough moves. But please step accordingly to avoid untoward incident. And for added resistance, you can use your dumbbells, kettlebells, weight belts, and resistance band. So get your stuff ready. This is 6 aerobic step workouts. Tara, workout tayo.
Before anything else, feel free to like or share this video, and please don't forget to subscribe.
This is 6 aerobic step workouts, part 6, the last but not the least. We'll be doing tricep exercises using the aerobic step. First up is tricep plank. Let's start. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 10-second rest interval. Next up is tricep crossed leg. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 10-second rest interval. Next up is tricep side tap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 10-second rest interval. Next up is tricep leg raise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 10-second rest interval. Next up is tricep march raise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 10-second rest interval. Next up, the last but not the least, the tricep dip. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's about it. Your 6 aerobic step workouts, part 6. Thank you so much for watching. Till the next video. Bye-bye.